So you'll need 2 chairs or a chair and a bench and a strap. So just take your strap, prepare your strap and create a small loop in the strap, just shoulder distance apart, and just have it resting on the other chair. Sit down into your first chair and draw the flesh away from the tops and the tips of those sit bones and just slide ever so slightly off the chair so you just clip the sit bones off. And then walk your feet back. They'll be hip distance apart and press firmly into all 4 corners of the feet, but the knees will track beyond the ankles in this one. So hug those hips in, create that foundation, and then take your strap and place your strap over top of your wrists today. So straighten into those arms, hug the outer shoulders in, lift the elbow creases towards the ceiling, and resist at the wrists where the strap is. Soften the shoulders and dig the shoulder blades in. Now as you press firmly into all 4 corners of those feet, use the arms and begin to extend forward. Keep looking forward and extend forward. Extend, extend, until you feel like you're just gonna lift off that chair. You just hover the buttocks off. Now really compact the hips here, and on your inhalation, begin to bring the arms overhead. Tailbone down and in, sternum lifts, and bring these arms back as close, bicep to the ears, as you can. From here, press firmly and strongly into those feet. Inhale, straighten the legs, coming into Ardha. Turn the palms to face away from you, and exhale, extend forward, and place your hands onto the chair seat. Stack the shoulders over the wrists, shoulder blades in, concave back for Ardha Uttanasana. And from your Ardha Uttanasana, you could stay here or begin to fold forward over those strong, firm legs, taking the hands to either side of the chair seat and slowly coming down to your place until you can rest your forehead onto the chair seat. Shift the weight slightly forward, flush of the forehead towards the nose, coming into a resting Uttanasana. From here, you can release the strap, place your hands back onto the chair seat. Inhale, come back up. Ardha Uttanasana, hands onto the hips. Inhale, come up, and sit back down onto your chair, and we're done. Thanks for watching, and of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call.